What's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is PinoyKowder because every day we learn something new. So for today's episode, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-download, mag-install, and mag-setup ng Netbeans IDE or Integrated Development Environment sa inyong Windows 10 operating system. So just a brief overview ng Netbeans, no? As you may all know, it started in 1996 at Charles University in Prague. Then years later, it was absorbed by Sun Microsystems, which later on we know na binili na to ng Oracle Corporation. Tapos noong 2016, it was donated to Apache Software Foundations, which means only one thing, no? Libre pa rin siya gamitin at i-download. And at the same time, open source pa rin ang Netbeans just like Eclipse IDE. So Netbeans IDE has a lot of features. It can be extended to be used for Java EE enterprise applications, PHP, XML tools, C++, all Ant-based projects, may even support refactoring. Meron din siyang version control such as Git. Pwede rin siya sa Java ME, EJB or Enterprise Java Beans, and other mobile applications. Okay, bago tayo mag-install ng Netbeans IDE dito sa Windows 10 machine, be sure to check and verify kung nakapag-install na kayo ng Java sa Windows 10 operating system. May nakita tayong separate video for this topic. So guys, i-link ko na lang siguro siya dito sa taas para pwede nyo mapanood at sundan yung pag-install and setup ng Java sa inyong operating system. Once you are done with that video and nakapag-install na kayo ng Java JDK, you can go back to this video and resume yung pag-install ng Netbeans IDE. To verify kung installed na siya sa inyong PC naman, punta lang tayo dito sa ating Windows Run command. Then type in lang natin dito cmd or command prompt. So right here dito sa command prompt, type in lang natin dito Java --version to know yung version ng ating Java, which is in our case Java 15.0.2 2021-01-19. To know naman yung compiler or yung actual JDK natin, type in lang natin dito Java Java for compiler --version. And makikita din natin na Java 15.0.2 yung ating version. Ngayon, kung may Java JDK or Java Development Kit na kayo na install sa inyong Windows operating system, either the current version or yung JDK 1.8 version, pwede na tayo mag-install ng Netbeans IDE. So ano pang hinihintay natin guys? Let's get started. So ayan guys, punta lang tayo dito sa ating favorite browser, which is Brave browser. Right click ko to, then new private window. So ayan, type in lang natin dito google.com. Then dito sa search engine, type in na natin dito Netbeans. Ayan, so yung unang-unang item sa search result is coming from netbeans.apache.org. So i-right click ko to, then open link in a new tab. So ayan, nakarating na tayo dito sa Apache NetBeans homepage. So ito na yung landing page niya. So ayan, it fits the pieces together. So pwede siyang development environment, tooling platform, and application framework. So from the right hand side dito, may makikita tayo ditong download na button or link. Click lang natin to guys. And then ayan, lumabas na yung mga options natin for download. Marami kasi siyang version as of recording time, ang recent version ng Apache NetBeans ay 12.5. So nirelease siya noong September 13, 2021. Meron din siyang LTS or long-term support na IDE which is Netbeans 12 LTS. So which was released last June 4, 2020. For this tutorial, ang ida-download natin ay itong Apache NetBeans 12 LTS kasi itong Apache NetBeans 12.5 may mga bug fixes pa to eh. So hindi muna natin siya ida-download. So of course, meron din mga older releases ng Apache NetBeans, no? Pagka interested kayo, i-download pa yung mga later versions ng NetBeans, click nyo lang to, find out more. So lalabas dito yung mga iba pang mga later versions ng NetBeans. So going back to our link, so i-click ko lang tong Apache NetBeans 12 LTS, no? Tingnan muna natin yung kanyang features. So makikita natin dito yung kanyang features. So bundled siya for Java 14, ayan, Java 13, Java 12, Java 11, and Java FX. So marami rin siyang sinusuportaan na specification, Java EE specification. So pwede siyang Maven, as I've said earlier. So may support siya for Java EE servers din na Glassfish, Tomcat, ayan. Tapos may Gradle din siya. And then other programming or scripting languages, PHP, JavaScript, and HTML. So it supports PHP 7.4. So ayan, nakikita natin sa drop down. And then may TypeScript editor din siya, no? Introduced in 11.3. Meron din siya integration sa C++ or C. So ayan, may mga rin siya, themes or look and feel support. And other things, no, yung mga GUI and toolbar and other features. So I think we're good to go at ready na tayo to download the Apache NetBeans 12. So balik tayo dito sa download page. I-click na natin tong download na button. So pag click natin yon, ayan, ipapakita na sa atin yung iba-ibang klaseng installer. So, depende sa operating system natin, pwede siyang gamitin sa Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X. Dahil ang ating operating system ay Windows, so ito ang i-click natin, itong Windows x64.exe. Pero itong installer na to ay gumagamit ng installation wizard. In our case, ang gagamitan natin ay itong zip file. Mas comfortable tayo na gamitin to kasi maraming setup pa tong Windows x64 eh. In this tutorial, gagamitin muna natin is itong ang ida-download natin ay itong NetBeans 12.0 source.zip file, no? Pero dahil source ito, hindi natin dito ma-execute yung NetBeans application. Kailangan ang i-download natin ay itong binaries niya na converted or compiled version ng source, which is netbeans-12.0-bin.zip. So go ahead at i-click natin to. Ayan. Pag-click natin nun, pupunta siya dito sa Apache Software Foundation and where we can download the NetBeans zip file. So ito na siya. Click lang natin tong HTTP at tatanungin tayo ng destination folder kung saan natin siya ilalagay. So in our case, meron na tayong pinreate na directory for this one. Ayan, naka-reserve sa atin tong PinoyKowder in Drive F directory. So dito natin siya isa-save. Save na natin siya. Ayan. So nagda-download na siya, no? Medyo malaki yung file, 357 MB. So depending on our internet speed, this could take us around probably mga 10 to 15 minutes, no? Siguro ifa-fast forward ko na lang yung section na to para pwede na tayo mag-proceed to the next step. Or maglalagay ako dito sa ilalim ng timeline sa description below para pwede nyo nang skip dun sa kung natapos nyo itong download and go to the next step. So ayan guys, natapos na yung ating download. So puntahan natin yung destination folder kung saan natin siya sinave, no? Bali, kiklik lang natin to, then open files, show in folder. So ayan na siya. So itong zip file, kailangan natin siya i-unzip using our zip extractor, no, na program. So i-right click natin to, then gagamit tayo ng Peazip extractor, then extract in a new folder. So ayan, nag-extract na siya guys. So hintay lang natin siya matapos. Ayan guys, natapos na yung ating pag-extract, no? Na-create na yung ating folder dito. Pwede natin siyang puntahan. So double-click natin itong folder. Then dito sa bin folder, ayan, nandito yung ating dalawang files na application, no? Itong netbeans.exe, ito for running sa 32-bit computer. Pero in our case, since naka 64-bit computer or laptop tayo, ang gagamitin or ang i-launch natin na program ay itong netbeans64.exe. So go ahead and double click this program. So ayan guys, nag-launch na yung ating Apache NetBeans IDE 12.0. So ito na yung landing page or welcome page niya. So may mga options dito and links. So pwede natin to explore or pwede nyo rin ito i-click itong take a tour to allow us to see the features of this IDE. Pero in our case, diretso na tayo sa pag-create ng Java project, no, to test kung nag-work na yung ating IDE at the same time kung mag-work siya na naka-link dun sa ating JDK or Java JDK na in-install na natin before. So pwedeng i-close ko na muna to, then punta tayo dito sa File, New Project. Ayan, so pwede tayong hanapin natin yung Java application. So ito siya. So maraming Java applications, no? Pero ang ating itatry na gamitin ay itong Java with Ant. So Java application, click natin yan, then click natin next. Ayan, finding feature. Ayan, lumabas na itong finding feature natin na window. So ang ating isa-select ay in order to use this functionality, the support for Java SE must be activated. So kailangan activated siya, no? Additional modules are recommended to run Java SE support. So the NB Java Editing Support Library tsaka Java XS implementation for Windows. So i-click natin itong dalawa, no? Then click natin dito activate. So ayan guys, nag-activate na siya. Then nag-proceed siya dun sa next window na name and location. So here, i-identify na natin yung ating project name, which is, ang ilagay natin dito sa project name ay PinoyKowder. Tapos sa project location, nakalagay siya dito sa directory, no, sa drive C by default. So in our case, ilalagay muna natin siya sa drive F kung saan nandoon yung ating or pinreserve na directory for our project. So dito sa drive F, lagay natin dito yung Netbeans projects. Ayan. So magkikreate siya dito ng directory dito sa project location dito. And then yung project folder natin na PinoyKowder, makikreate din under that project location na Netbeans projects, no? And then, magkikreate itong window na to, use dedicated folder for storing libraries, disregard lang muna natin yan. And then, itong create main class, by default, may check mark siya, no? So, in our case, hayaan muna natin itong naka-check. Kasi mag-execute tayo ng string sa ating main class. Click lang natin dito, finished. Ayan, nakikreate siya ng new project. So, ayan, nag-create na rin siya ng Java file, ano? So, ito na siya. Ito na yung Java file natin na, tapos itong PinoyKowder, ito yung name ng ating package. Source, ayan, Java source package. So, here, dito sa to-do code application logic here, pwede muna natin itong tanggalin. And then, typing lang natin dito, System.out.println, then pangalan ng string natin na ipiprint out, which is hello PinoyKowder. Because every day we learn something new. So, ayan siya, ending in semicolon. So, on the left side din, meron din siya mga line numbers. So, pwede natin siya i-trace kung saan siyang error or isang line number siya nag-error, no? In our case, wala naman siyang error. And then, itong mga ganitong is signifies comment. So, pwede natin siyang baguhin and lagyan natin siya ng description ng itong program na to. So, this allows to print a string, hello PinoyKowder. Because every day we learn something new. So, ayan guys. So, expand natin to. Nakikita nyo ba guys? Pwede ko itong lakihan eh. Punta tayo dito sa Windows or Tools Options. So, ito yung editor. Punta natin yung Fonts and Colors. Ayan. So, pwede natin itong lakihan. Yung font, gawin natin 14 siguro. And then, okay. Apply. Okay. Ayan. Lumaki ba siya? So, lakihan pa natin. 18. Okay. Apply. Ayan. So, lumaki na yung ating font. And then, click natin okay. So, ito na siya. Tapos, ang next ating gagawin ay to run and compile itong ating program. So, click lang natin itong run project dito sa taas. And then, dito sa ilan makikita natin yung status. Ayan. Ito na yung output nyo guys. Ano? Hello PinoyKowder, because every day we learn something new. So, it seems na successful ang ating installation ng Apache NetBeans IDE 12.0. So, hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Next time, pag-aaralan natin yung basic fundamentals of Java development, including knowing the variables, data types, functions, loops, conditional statements, at iba pang aspects of Java development. I hope marami kayong natutunan dito sa video na to. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga tutorials and videos sa ipopost natin. See you on our next episode. This is PinoyKowder. Keep watching because every day, we learn something new. Bye guys!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And